Insta fam, today I'm gonna take off my everyday look makeup in front of you all. So first thing I'm gonna do is put on my headband obviously. First I'm gonna use the cleaning solution by Water Secret. इसके टॉप पे एक ओपनिंग है जहाँ से आप सॉल्यूशन स्क्वीज आउट कर सकते हैं. Now I'm making my hands wet. Squeeze it out a bit on your hands. Now you will see इसकी consistency कितनी mild और watery है. Now I'm massaging this on my face. Best part is ये chemical free है, इसकी natural smell है, कोई added products नहीं है. ये completely organic products से बनाया गया है. It hydrates and pampers your skin क्योंकि इसमें tea polyphenol antioxidants हैं which make your skin healthy. Now I'm using cotton to remove my makeup. This is a multi-purpose cleaning solution. It serves as a makeup remover and as a face wash. This is really good for dry and sensitive skin क्योंकि इसके after effects बहुत अच्छे हैं. It makes the skin soft and supple for a long time. You can see it took off my makeup completely even though मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा apply नहीं किया था, but जितना भी था it completely took everything off. It even took off my waterproof mascara. This face wash can be used by males and females both. After using it, I am gonna wash my face with water. Please excuse how I completely spilled water on my shirt. Now I'm using the hydrating silk mask by Water Secret. You can imagine now कि आपकी skin को इससे कितनी hydration मिलेगी. Separate the mask from the white film gently. This is how I put it on. I know it looks funny. So I put it on for 25 minutes. I took it off after 25 minutes and you can clearly see how it completely brightened my skin, giving it a very young and fresh look. It even minimizes pores and lightens acne scars. It reduces pigmentation and wrinkles of your face. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for better results. The mask and the cleaning solution are a part of my skincare routine now. This is the end result. Thank you for watching.